Hi, my name is Aida Garcia, and for this project, I'm focusing on implementing Google Forms as a solution to collect FAFSA submission summaries from the students we work with. I currently work as a college access advisor at a nonprofit committed to educational attainment. I'm also transitioning into the program coordinator role, where I'll oversee advisor training and professional development. Right now, advisors collect student documents through email, which can be disorganized and time consuming. I believe this simple and accessible tool can improve our workflow, reduce confusion, and better support our advising process. Why Google Forms? Our nonprofit offers a scholarship to the students we serve, and submitting their FAFSA documentation is a requirement to be eligible. Our current system involves students emailing their FAFSA submission summaries, but this often leads to disorganization. Sometimes students send the documents with no name or identifying information, and we have to search through our system to match it to the right person. With Google Forms, students can submit everything in one place and include all required fields like name, campus, and advisor, so submissions are instantly easier to manage and track. Step 1: Planning the initiative. The planning stage began with staff feedback. Advisors shared that collecting FAFSA documents via email was inefficient and stressful during peak submission periods. The goal became clear: to create a centralized, reliable way to collect required financial aid documents and streamline our advising process. When identifying our tech needs, I knew the tool had to be free, accessible on mobile, and able to collect uploads. Google Forms checked every box and integrates easily with tools we already use, like Google, Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Sheets. Selecting Google Forms. Google Forms was selected because it's easy to use for both students and staff. Files are automatically stored in Google Drive, and submissions can be sorted in Google Sheets, making it simple for advisors to organize and access their students' documents. Implementation. To implement the form, we share the link via email, in newsletters, and throughout the classroom workshops we coordinate. Clear instructions will be provided so students know exactly what to do and how to upload. The form will stay active through the FAFSA season, which typically runs from November to June. Safeguarding the technology. Safeguarding student data is essential and something we take seriously. Google Forms allows us to require sign in, limit access, and send response notifications. Only designated staff will have access to submissions to ensure confidentiality and protect students' personal information. Maintenance and support. To keep things running smoothly, the form will be reviewed and updated each year before and after FAFSA season. Advisors will be trained on how to use Google Sheets to manage their responses, and all files will be stored in shared folders for easy backup and access. Training for the technology. Not only will staff be trained to use this new technology implementation, but our students as well. Students will get a short flyer or video tutorial explaining how to complete the form and upload their FAFSA summary. These tutorials will also be shared during in-class workshops. For staff, I'd provide a walkthrough on using the spreadsheet, sorting responses, and accessing files. Since we have 7 advisors serving over 40 campuses, I'll include required fields for campus name and advisor name, so the spreadsheet automatically organizes submissions by advisor. That way, each staff member can easily review just their students' entries. Integrating the technology. To fully integrate the form, we'll add it to our advising checklist and follow up workflows. It can also be posted on our website or resource page so students always know where to find it. This ensures it becomes a regular part of our support process during FAFSA season. The conclusion is that this small tool will make a big impact. Using Google Forms is a small change that makes a big difference. It helps students submit documents easily, it helps staff manage them efficiently, and ensures we don't miss important submissions. It also saves time by automatically sorting documents by advisor and campus, so we can spend less time digging through emails and more time helping students. It's a simple tech solution that directly improves our workflow and supports systems. Thank you so much for taking the time to view my presentation. I appreciate the opportunity to explore how a simple tool like Google Forms can support both students and staff. If you have any questions or feedback, I'd be happy to connect. Thanks again.